it's okay. Gone already, that no.
Give her a pretty look.
Yeah. Takes really nice picture. That's all want to supposed to
This?
oh shucks. Yeah. I'm past already.
Never notice it. So we just slip it away.
I think they have good tires. Oh, the mall pit not done us anymore. I think two them did down the road, me think. I never noticed it, you know. Passed down here, but I never noticed if it was still there. Okay, it's up there, but it can't go through the windscreen. Sorry, it's too dark. It didn't. Okay, so down here, so it's Ferris, right? Ferris. Waterworks. Sorry, Waterworks. People them try every little thing to make a few dollars. Putting shoes on the car front and selling. You notice? Slippers and all that little things like. Beautiful green luscious grass. Most of my videos I put Raymond and Craig name. Raymond, I know see you love to see how long of them place right now, you know. I know that. Um, do you know, Mrs. Some breadfruit a while ago? Never get to do it at all to video that. That Raymond wants to see breadfruit and mangoes. Oh yes. Yeah. So this is Waterworks. Nice roads. Mall bit over there. It's beautiful, you know. I'm telling you, the grass is green and pretty. Look at that, man. Okay, so here's my beautiful niece over here.
Hi guys.
Alright, this is Shantia. Yeah, taking Auntie Yvette to Savanalamar. Alright, good drive, girl, good drive. Big up yourself, Shantia, big up yourself. So we are at Ferris crossing. That road leads to White House. And we're at the gas station, Ferris gas station. Right, so this one leads to Savanalamar. Alright, this road leads to Savanalamar. Yeah, so big up Shantia, big up Shantia. This is a Ferris Primary School. Right there. Ferris Primary. Yeah. That road leads to Sweet River. Yeah. Drive through. Drive through there. Huh? Okay. I went there like the church had a baptism and we went around there. But here, the beautiful river. The river is not that beautiful. Oh, I thought it was beautiful. Can barely see any water in it. Lots of bush cover, it needs cleaning. Alright, so here's my girl again, Shantia. Oh boy. So that's Shantia. Shantia, I always say big up, big up, big up, big up to everyone. Sorry about this rocky part of the road. The video is like shaking, but we all understand that we have some bad roads here. Majority of the roads are bad. So when we get the sweet part, you know, we just have to just drive on it. But when you get the rough part, you have to just go. Your car go shake up, the camera go shake up, yes. Alright, so when the time is hot, people go to that river there, over there, and enjoy a cool down. Alright. So we're driving down to Wango's over there. You go over there and get your meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yeah. Nice place. Nice food. Nice people.